each plant is a unique powerhouse of different active compounds and nutrients, which act on your brain either directly or through your gut bacteria. So for instance, kale is full of folate, which means it can actually make you happy. So eating a wide variety of plants is not only essential to be healthier, but also to improve your mood.
So, if that all sounds like a great plan, but you struggle with the execution when it comes to knowing what to cook and how to include more plants in your diet, then hopefully that's where I can come in to help. I'm a trained chef who's also studied food science and nutrition, and I've developed a website called Spoonful of Felicity. The aim is to provide you with lots of seasonal recipes for a healthier and happier lifestyle. What you can expect is a free newsletter every week all about the benefits of a certain ingredient on your mood and health, with tips on how to cook with it and what to pair it with. There's also a free feel-good seasonal recipe every week available on the website, and paid subscribers also get an additional recipe each week with a cook-along video as well to make it super simple to follow the recipe, as well as an extra deep dive into how the ingredients impact your mood and well-being. So if all this looks like something you might like, then head over to my website now, linked in the description, and why not try one of my free recipes? If you like it, subscribe to access the full catalogue and exclusive content for only $3.99 a month.